In this question from the chapter coordinate geometry says vertices of a parallelogram in order, when taken in order, are given as this. Then we have to find xy is what, right? So here x and y are two different values, but then we have to write them in the ordered pair, right? That's what they mean to say xy. It's not a coordinate of any point. So let's begin with making the diagram first. Let's say I made a parallelogram and I named it ABCD as per the question. What you can see that the coordinate of A is given as 1, 2. The coordinate of B is given as 4, Y. For C, it is given as how much? X, 6. And for D, it is 3, 5. This is 3, 5. Now, most of you, this question, you apply here we are going to use the concept that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Is that the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other. Well, as I said, that many of you actually apply the property that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and then you end up doing it wrong. So check here, if I take this point as P, P is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. So as I said, we are going to use this property that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, right? This is what we are going to use, and not that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So now what we can say that P is the midpoint of AC. First, I'm going to apply the concept that P is the midpoint of AC. So P is the, if I say that P is the midpoint of AC, let me write down. If I say P is the midpoint of AC, then using the special case of section formula, I can say the P coordinate of P. And for symbol, let's say if I get the coordinate of P, it's going to be what? X1 plus x2 over 2, right? X1 plus x2 over 2, say 1 plus x1 plus x2 over 2. And similarly, it is y1 plus y2 over 2, that is 2 plus 6 over 2. This is what the coordinate of P, right? I'm talking about the coordinate of P. Now, P is not only the midpoint of AC, P is the midpoint of BD as well. As we said that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Now, when I take P as the midpoint of BD, in that case, what will be the coordinate of P? In that case, it's going to be, say this time, P is the midpoint, as I said, of BD, then it is x1 plus x2 over 2, applying the section formula. 3 plus 4 over 2, and its y coordinate is going to be 5 plus y over 2. Now check here. Here these two are the x coordinate of P, so they must be equal. So I'm going to equate this. I can write 1 plus x over 2 is equal to, this is how much? 7 over 2. This get cancelled, and after transposing 1 to the other side, I'm getting x as 6. Now for the next part, similarly, their y coordinate are going to be equal. So I can say that 5 plus y over 2 is equal to 2 plus 6, that is 8, right? 8 over 2. 2 get cancelled, and on transposing 5 to the other side, 8 minus 5 is 3. So we got y as 6. So x and y are not the, like say, point of a coordinate of a single point. It's just that they have arcs in the ordered pair. So x will take 6 and y as 3. So 6 and 3, that is option A is correct in this case.